Hello everybody, and this time I'm going to show you how I'm working with Bible readings in our church. So so first of all, we have in our church a habit that we have Old Testament reading and New Testament reading, and they are all both going um, consequently and continuing from where last time it was left. So for this purpose I have a workspace, which is the first one here, and normally I'm using this window pinning feature because I can conveniently switch between Old Testament reading and New Testament reading. So here first I have this Old Testament reading. Okay, I have English version also. So when I'm going to church, I just open my AndBible from this workspace, and it is already in a correct place where we are continuing Bible reading. And when we are switching to New Testament reading, I just switch to this window, and you see we are in the New Testament reading just where we left last time. And when we are reading, I'm just following, and I'm leaving this wherever it is ending, and next time I have again correct position. And moreover, I want to show you just a tip. Like for example, my wife is not native in Finnish, so I am normally reading in Finnish, my Bible, but if you disable my window pinning, you can have two windows, of course, and like this I can share the same device for both, like me and my wife. And when we change to New Testament reading, I'm just opening these last two windows. So this is how I am working with Bible readings in our church, and this is serving very well. Actually, it has been many times that I have been notifying people that actually, hey, we are skipping some passage, or we are not in a correct position, because AndBible remembers where I am. So thanks for watching. I'm adding a link below in the description to a website where you can support my work on AndBible.